So the job of SERE primarily is to train our high risk of isolation and moderate risk of isolation personnel so that if they have a really bad day, either behind enemy lines or something of that nature, they can get recovered and come back and return with honor. As far as equipment goes, the things that are going to kill you in Alaska is the cold and wet environment. It's really easy to go hypothermic. Waterproof gear is really important. Alaska has a ton of berries, and berries are pretty easy to get. They don't run away like animals.
As far as water, there's abundant sources. You have plenty of snow and ice in the wintertime where you can potentially melt that stuff down. In the summertime, you have to be a little bit more careful. Procuring from open sources, you have cryptosporidium and giardia. That are two very common things here in Alaska. So you want to make sure you're packing some good micron filters, 0.2 or smaller. You can absolutely get a fire going as long as you have the right equipment and the right gear to be able to do so. Being able to retain your 98.6 is going to be the biggest thing. So whether you can get even a small fire going, if you're going to try to utilize that heat as a means of keeping your body nice and warm, try to keep yourself in more of an enclosed area where that heat isn't going to get dispersed in the environment.
So Alaska is very unique. Alaska has a lot of different types of biomes within it. There's tundra, there's the Arctic tree line, there's the mountainous areas, there's a huge coastal area in Alaska. There's plenty of Alaska to go out and just have a great time, do a lot of exploring.
Have fun in Alaska. It poses some fantastic opportunities to be able to get out and enjoy an environment that really is quite amazing. But absolutely be safe, always have a plan, let somebody know where you're going to be going, and an approximate time back.